to lead, we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. In this video, we are going to discuss an important case list question that was asked in the May Mat question paper. So do watch this question completely to answer all the questions as well as to know the shortcuts how to approach the case list. So definitely for the upcoming MAT exams, which is to be held on May 28th as well as June 4th, you may expect a question based on caselet. Okay, let me solve and show you the caselet question. In a language school, see here, in a language school having 175 students with an option to study German, French and a composite subject with German with French, wherein boys and girls are in the ratio 3:4 respectively. So in total, the total number of students in the school are 175. Okay, if I split them in the ratio of boys and girls, the ratio is 3:4. Okay, if the ratio is 3:4 and the total parts will be 7. So divide this 175 by 7, you will get the value of one part. Okay, so value of one part is 25. So 3:4, if I divide this in the ratio 3:4, so total number of boys present were 75 and total number of girls present were 100. Now, so split this into boys, girls. Okay, and now see here. 40% boys have opted only for French. So how many boys are there in total? 75 boys are there. In that, 40% opted only for French. So 10% I know it is 7.5. 40%, 20% will be 15 and 40% will be 30. So only French in boys category who have opted is 30. Right? And 44% of the students have opted only for German. So in total, 175 students are there, right? So in 175 students, German opted students are 44%. So what is 10% of 175? It is 17.5. 20%, 35. 40% is 70 and 4% again it is 7. So 77 among total number of students, 77 students opted German. Okay, now out of the total number of girls, 32% have opted composite subject. So under composite subject, how many percentage of students are there? 32% of the girls. So in total, we have 100 girls. So 32% of 100 is nothing but 32. Number of boys opted only for German. Okay, and composite subject. Only German and composite subject. The ratio is 2:1. So how many boys are there in total? 75 boys. In that only French opted boys are 30. So remaining 45 boys, I should split in the ratio 2:1. Okay, remaining 45 boys, I should split in the ratio 2:1. So only German. Divide that 45 by 3, 15. So 2 parts belongs to only German. That is 30 boys. And composite subject 1 part. 15 boys. Okay, these are the given data. With this given data, we are going to answer the question now. How many girls only opted for German? My question is, how many girls only opted for German? So, the total number of students who opted for German is 77. In that, the boys who opted for German is 30. Okay, and what about the girls who opted for only German? 77 minus 30. 47 is your answer. So option B is your answer. Option B is your answer. Okay, keep the data as it is. Let us move to the next question. Now, how many boys have opted for composite subject? So how many boys have opted for composite subject? Already we have filled the data. It is 15. So option B is your answer. Okay, right? Now, let us move to the next question. Number of boys opting only French is what percentage of boys opting only German? See, number of boys opting only French. So, number of boys opting only is French is 30. Is what percentage of boys opting only German? German is also 30. So, 30 by 30 is what? 100. So, 100% is your answer. 100% is your answer. Next. What is the ratio between the number of boys who have opted only for German and the number of girls who have opted for composite subject? Number of boys who have opted only for German, 30. And number of girls who have opted for composite subject, 32. Right? If you see from this data, you can enter easily. So 15:16 is the ratio. So option A is your answer. Okay. Number of boys opting for either only French or for German is what percentage of the total number of girls? See, the number of boys for opting for either only French. So either only French 30, either only German 30 is what percentage of total number of girls? So 60 by 100. 60% is your answer. Okay, so definitely you can expect a question based on caselet, and definitely it will be very easy type of questions. So don't forget to solve the questions based on caselet, and also you can click through the options if you are attending CBT or IBT to find a caselet based question under data analysis and sufficiency. Okay, all the best students. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and in the upcoming days, we are also going to post some more videos based on the May Math questions. Okay, all the best. Definitely, it will be very useful. Hello, students. You all have another golden opportunity to join our free online guidance webinar on May Math 2023. In this webinar, we are going to discuss more important questions, and we are going to provide you the shortcuts based on the mathematical skills as well as data analysis and sufficiency part. So don't forget to enroll for this webinar. Those who are having their exams on May 28th as well as June 4th, definitely this webinar will be more useful. So join us on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. If you want to enroll for this webinar, we have provided the link in the description box. You can enroll through the registration link. All the best, students. So still, are you afraid of getting 550 plus in the upcoming May Math examination? Don't worry, join our 10 days crash course that is to be started from May 23rd. So those who have planned to take their exams on June 4th, definitely you can enroll for this 10 days crash course. Okay. So if to enroll for this 10 days crash course, we have provided the registration link in the description box, as well as you can contact directly 8870046080. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who